We're coming to you live from Palm Harbor in Victoria, Texas. I'm JR. I'm standing here with our amazing sales staff, and we're standing in the TXR model. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and you've got this huge farm sink. I know people like to give their babies a bath in the sink. You give a grown man a bath in this sink. Look at this. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. But we are in this kitchen. I'm gonna have Alan show you around and take you into that huge utility room that we got. What's going on, guys? As you can see, I'm laying on this island. This is a huge island. It's 6 feet long. You've got tons of room on here to throw any of your crock pots, pressure cookers, anything like that. Just tons of room to add into your kitchen. Alan, if you'll keep showing them around. And now we're in the living room. I'm sitting on this entertainment center. There's not a 70-inch TV that would not fit right here. Guys, this thing is huge. I'm just under 6 feet tall. You can put any size TV up there that you want. It's got this nice little cable run right there so you can hide your cables. Alan, let's keep showing them around. And now we're in the master bathroom. Look how big this vanity is, guys. Sinks on both sides of me, plenty of room on each side so you and your wife don't get your stuff mixed up, because I know how bad my wife hates when I get my facial hair on her side of the sink. So kind of keep stuff separated. It's a huge bathroom. Alan, if you'll come in here and show them around a little bit. You've got your huge shower, your huge tub, nice transom window up top. Alright guys, I know this was a little bit more of a comical video than I normally do, but this house is amazing. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right around 1,600 square feet. And Kevin did a video in this house just a little bit ago, and he talked about our manager special, and he's not wrong. This house is selling at a lower price point than most 1,600 square foot homes are, and it is available for immediate delivery. So if you guys are interested, give me a call at 936-730-8734, or you can reach out to our sales center and give us a call there. Check us out on our website. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.